Hey, what's up, guys? Well, as you can tell, this is a plane. B-25J Mitchell. This is not mine. This is my son's. This is what's been on my bench for the past 2 weeks, taking up my space, so I haven't been able to build. He's doing this one for a school project, actually, in history class. A model was on a list of what they are allowed to do as a project, so he decided to build this. Didn't come out too bad. Just thought I would share something different other than a car. So, anyways, I just thought I'd throw it on here, let you guys see it. Different look, other than always building cars. This is what my son does. He builds planes. So anyways, just wanted to let you guys see it. Until next time, guys, take it easy.